Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. These cards for your career situation, guys. Libras, and these for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle that will be a general guidance, what we can follow, guys. So that may answer some questions or doubts you have in your situation. So let's start the reading with these cards, guys, for your general energies. Libras, we have the Fool, Hangman, and the Hermit in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you have faced lot of trials in your life. You have made a lot of sacrifices, and you don't know today what you need to do. Something has come up in your life. It is simply stressing you, and you are willing to let go of the things that are not working for you. You are having that acceptance in your heart for your situation, guys, and you are maybe you had some expectations for yourself. It may be a situation in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. In this relationship, you would have had some expectations for this love, for this person, but you are willing to let go all that, all your expectations. Today you are just accepting your situation as it is, and maybe you are seeing great changes in yourself. There is a huge relief setting in for you because you are ready to go with the flow. So, wherever your situation is taking you, and you feel like childlike, some kind of a childlike innocence when you are dealing with your circumstances, guys. That relief and that what to say, what that acceptance is bringing in your heart, that some kind of serenity and peace of mind is there in your situation, guys. Libras, so you are willing to maybe surrender your expectations, or you are willing to let go of all your expectations for this love or for something in your uh, career situation, guys. Libras, so, and also for some of you, maybe it may be in your career, or it may be in your personal life, guys. You have some fears, or maybe you are afraid that certain things may happen. So you are willing to change yourself. Maybe you don't want that stressful circumstance to come in your life again, maybe, or you are expecting something, and you are trying to be you are trying to take many precautions today, guys. Libras, so let's see what are the cards for your relationship, guys. Libras, so we have 3 of cups, 6 of cups, and 10 of wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, Libras, maybe in your situation there were some troubles, some arguments, or some misunderstandings, but I see that you are having that communication. You are speaking to this person, telling them what you feel and understanding the situation from their perspective. So I see that your maybe some difficulties, whatever it was, that situation is resolving, guys, and you are happy. You are spending time with them, spending time with this person, and you are really happy for how things are going today, guys. Libras, for your love energy, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship, career situation, guys. Sorry. So we have Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, you are working hard and you are maybe achieving certain things for yourself in your career, but to hold on to that success you are making lot of efforts, guys, and nothing is coming easily. You are working really hard, stressing yourself, and you have people helping you work reach your goals and whatever aspirations you have. So there is someone or there are people helping you in your career situation, guys. And also maybe for some of you, you may also see that maybe when you're making some important decisions or some work related choices, you do not have that guidance. Maybe people are not there to guide you or support you with their suggestions. So you feel really isolated, or maybe it may be because of your position. You may be in a very important position in your work. So you are the one person who is guiding others, and there is no one to guide you. So that may be the energy here, guys. Libras. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. It is mending. So it just means that in our relationship or in our career situation, guys, whatever it is, if we want a positive change in our situation, we should go for that understanding, guys, maybe. So if we want that positive change in our life, in our career or in our relationship, we must go for forgiveness, heal. Maybe after arguing with someone we love, if we want to heal our relationship, we must say sorry, or if that person says sorry, we must accept their apology and move on in our life. So the same way in our career, for whatever mistakes that we have done in our work, maybe we would have done some mistakes in the past, we should not simply keep brooding over that. We should take the lessons from that and move on, take the next step forward. So that is the message with this card, guys, the oracle guidance for you all, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching, Libras. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.